So out here at a job today in Miranda for a customer who has no sockets inside their apartment. I was out here the other day doing an inspection and it looked like there might have been one on the kitchen wall when you enter through on the left hand side, but it's all been rendered up. And so we sort of gave him the option of either breaking the wall out to see if it's there or we just install a new cable. So I'm in the ground floor here, and above here is where the MDF is. Now I've just got this piece of my cable coming through here, which I will eventually tie my other cable onto, but this is just a draw wire for now. So this one has to all be done on the surface. So we're going to do today, drill out of there, do some ducting all the way along, and then we're going to go into this apartment here. Then from there we're going to take our ducting and turn it down the wall and then try and put it under the carpet to get it to where they need to get it to. Pretty tricky, but yeah, this is what needs to happen. Okay, so we've had a change of plans. What we're going to do now is we're just coming out of here. We're actually going to come down and we're going to do under the carpet the whole way. Because going up here is going to look ugly. It's going to take way more time. And yeah, we'd have to do all these nice joins, but we're still going to have the tricky part of getting through into the unit. So at this stage, all under the carpet. So we're just going on the back side of the smooth edge there. I'll just show you. Get the carpet up. Then you've got the smooth edge. We run it on that side of the smooth edge between the underlay and the smooth edge. Okay, that way it sits down below the smooth edge so it doesn't get damaged. Okay, so I've got it all the way from there now, and then I'm here. And you can see it's snaking around there. Cut up a little channel in the underlay. We're going to bring that around to the door, and then this is the door here. We need to go into their apartment. So we're going to have to go up, because you've got door frames, and go above the door frame to come in on the other side. Fun times. So we change the plan again, near at the door. What we're going to do now is I've just chiseled out that little bit there, just had a bit of mortar in it. That'll get us through the carpet inside the apartment. Instead of going up and having an ugly piece of stuff there, just going to go through here. Okay, so now I'm on the next floor up, and excuse me, got my cable all tied up, and I'm going to put it into unit 3, so I'm going to put it into this one here at the top, and then we'll run our jumpers across to here, and then I'll go put the socket on the other end, and that should be it.